Do you remember back in the early 2000s when you would occasionally step foot into a Nike store and stumble across one of the beloved Nike portals? I'm of course talking about Nike ID. Well, back when I was a kid in middle school, I remember going down to the Nike store on State Street, Chicago, and they had a Nike portal in the store. And I was in need of some new basketball shoes, so I whipped up some hideous LeBrons with my name on the back heel. Of course, at the time, I thought they were super cool. Now fast forward to 2022 till current, Nike has revived the concept and rebranded it as Nike by You. Nike by You gives the consumer the opportunity to customize a pair of shoes to their liking for a small additional fee compared to the normal price of said silhouette. They offer this customization option in many different styles of shoes, but today we'll be looking at the Nike Dunk Low by You, and what makes them different from a normal Nike Dunk Low. So this is what it looks like on the website. You can pick different colors for basically every part of the shoe. Then you can add a name and other small detail adjustments. It's a lot like the in-store interface that they used to have, which is super nice. The only difference is a lot of the time, these coveted styles like the Nike Dunk Low, it's not always in stock or available for customization. They send out exclusive access in waves randomly throughout the year. I've probably missed out on 3 restocks of access for the Nike Dunk Low by You, and finally on the 4th one I was given access. This is the shoe I went with. I chose to create a style that I'll actually wear, so I made a Chicago colorway. These took about a month to get here from when I ordered them, and the wait was well worth it. I'm super happy with the quality on these. Now let's compare the quality on these to a normal pair of Nike Dunk Lows. Alright, here's a quick look at the Nike Dunk Low by You. And now here's a quick look at a pair of Pandas that I have. Now let's put them side by side and compare. The main noticeable difference is the quality and the material. You can see just visually that the Nike Dunk Low by You pair is tumbled leather, which is usually more of a premium quality leather compared to the normal leather that's on a Nike Dunk Low. Another thing you see on most GR pairs of Dunks that you won't see on a pair of Nike Dunk Low by You is the small shoe defects. You can see here on the Panda Dunks that there's a small piece of string hanging off. There's also some texture imperfections, and even a little glue stain by the toe box. You'll never find a small defect like that on one of the custom pairs. In conclusion, if you're a real sneakerhead, you'll definitely appreciate the Nike Dunk Low by You or any by You shoe. Quality and the ability to customize is definitely worth the extra money it costs to get these. Let me know down in the comments below if you have a pair of Nike by You shoes and what customizations you chose for your pair. If you're still waiting to get access, I hope you get it soon. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a great day.